TO English, learning English with videos.
Hello friends, how are you? Today we are in the jungle to learn the names of animals in English, the vocabulary of wild animals or animals of the jungle. In the jungle, there are many mammal animals. The king of the jungle is the lion. We also found another feline, the tiger. This is the zebra that has fun stripes. Elephants also live here. They're very large and heavy animals. And the giraffe, which is the tallest animal. Other very large wild animals are the bear, which sleeps in the winter, the rhino, that has a big horn, and hippos or hippopotamus, who like water. In the water also lives the crocodile, that has a large mouth with many teeth. And on the tree branches are the monkeys. How many animals are in the jungle? Let's go over them. Lion, tiger, zebra, elephant, giraffe, bear, rhino, hippopotamus, crocodile, monkey. This is all, friends. If you want to know more vocabulary of animals, you can see other videos on the channel. See you soon.
TO English, learning English with videos.